Let's talk about EELO 1885 disc folding electric bike, portable and easy to store in caravan, motorhome, boat. Short charge lithium-ion battery and silent motor e-bike, thumb throttle and LCD speed display. Go further, faster, fresher. The EELO 1885 is the ideal choice for the train commuter, caravanner, motorhome owner, boating enthusiast. Take the hard work out of cycling and avoid the sweat with electric biking. Reduce the risk of theft. Foldable and portable take the worry away about securing and storing your bike after your commute to work. The EELO 1885 is foldaway and small and light enough to be stored under the desk or in a cupboard, ready until the next ride. Perfect for the caravaneer or boat enthusiast who is short on space. Enjoy the ride. Thumb throttle takes cycling to the next level and reduce the need for pedaling with fully automated power assistance. Use the thumb throttle to start off and control your speed with EELO's eDrive technology. LED lights. At EELO we know how important it is to stay safe and visible on the road. That's why every one of our e-bikes comes fitted with high-quality LED lights. Once switched on, the LEDs emit a powerful and bright light.